7 June, The Hindu newspaper. New government should review Agnipath scheme, JDU. Remove shortcoming of the scheme, say the party. LJP Ram Vilas Chief Chirag Paswan says it should be looked into at the appropriate time. NID meeting today. Modi to take oath on 9 June. Ajit holds emergency meeting. Fadnavis rushes to New Delhi. Post-poll parleys an NCP meeting on at the residence of Maharashtra Deputy CM Ajit Pawar in Mumbai on Thursday. Stock market crash of 4 June. A scheme Rahul. Bodies of 4 more trackers recovered. Chetri beats ADU after a stellar career. No alliance with Congress for Delhi Assembly election. AAP. Nara Lokesh se mandate in AP against arrogance. We are real. Ram Bhakt se SPS newly elected Faizabad MP Awadhesh Prasad. SC orders release of 137 cases of water to Delhi. Victory for capital Atis. Provide passage to water meant for capital, SC tells Haryana after HP say it's ready to help Delhi. Water Minister Atishi thanks court for standing with City De Villiers during the unprecedented crisis. Prakhad resident feel water from may taken at Vivekanand camp in Kankaipuri on Thursday. BJP outperformed open candidates in 10 of 12 received assembly segments in LS election. 4 private hospital run illegally funds ACB. Open nominees trailed in 2 out of 3 assembly segments. Represent by jailed AAP leader. Kogi gang members attacked in Tihar jail. Moments of bliss. Asteroid beach destination beacon waving exquisite magic with visible waters and golden sands. Taj Holidays. Bhil Pradesh in focus with a BAP's victory from Rajasthan tribal region. Rajkumar wrote the newly elected MP from Banswara Kanauj for his strong views on the rights of tribal people, lists creating employment opportunities and tack- tackling malnutrition as priorities. Newly elected BAP MP Rajkumar wrote during his Lok Sabha election campaign in Banswara district. TN BJP chief blamed for split with AIADMK. Similar poll samples led to skewed result. NCP SP Rahul's Bharat Jodo rally rounds Praved game changer in 6 seats. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and author hold a flaming torch during the launch of Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra in Manipur. How Akhilesh Yadav laid a caste sig around Hindutva to thwart BJP in UP with 12 Kurmi candidates and a dozen prospects from the Sakya, Muria, Kuswa, Pal and Nishad communities. The SP chief made BJP play on his PDA picked a Delhi अल्पसंख्यक पिछड़े दलित अल्पसंख्यक overcome difference, stay united to create history, OPS to party cadre. CIC can't comment on who MPs spent Tihar fund से दिल्ली HC. Kerala's UDF scrambles to perceive senior leader after Thrissur route. Mandate in AP is against arrogance, complacency in governance. Nara Lokesh. Every decision the TDP has taken is for the benefit of the state and the nation, say the newly elected MLA Will, stressing that the party rejoined the NDA without stain and condition. TDP General Secretary Nara Lokesh says history has shown that we have not been stake for minister. Four more bodies recovered After trekking traged- tragedy in Uttarakhand, NHRC seeks report on sale of girl as part of Nata Partha. The move followed NHRC's intervention in a complaint by the father of a minor minor girl. Gold smuggling accused gets bail in defamation case, preparing the ground. Agriculture workers ready a farmland for turmeric cultivation on the outskirts of Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh on Thursday. The All India Secretariat for Turmeric shows a decline in production this year at 10.74 lakh tonnes, down from 11.3 lakh tonnes last year. KVS Giri. Karnataka Minister Nagendra quits amid allegation of fraud. After NDA win in AP cases against Jagan Naidu sparked debate. All 11 candidates elected unopposed unopposed to the Karnataka legis- Legislative Council. The newly elected Congress MLCs with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in Bengaluru. Rajkot Gaming Arcade Free, a tragedy foretold. The aftermath prefigurators crying out, calling operation and searching for the remains of victims at TRP game zone in Rajkot, Gujarat, a day after a deadly blaze broke out on May 25. The blaze that gutted a multi-level recuperation center, killing 27 people, is the latest in a string of accidents in Gujarat over the past 5 years due to the take of stringent enforcement of bleeding rules and safety safety norms. The massive high-leaked laxity of officials and alleged graft in the state local bodies paints Mesh Langa Charhed Earth move clear debris from the seat where the gaming zone operated without valid license. Railing for Rocks. Relatives saw the picture of Jagnesh Gadvis, who was one of the 27 people crushed to death at the gaming zone that had no prefabricating equipment. Right, a driven woman with for her relative's body outside the morgue of a hospital in Rajkot. Home is where the art is, from an urban village in Delhi to a factory compound in Vadodara. Artist residence in India are a kaleidoscope of landscapes, going beyond the plate. In a Delhi furniture district and Indica of affairs, a unique dining experience that sparks conversation about food, sustainability, and forgotten ingredient. Health regulation need a base to top approach. United the trade formid, formidably alliance helped the TDP-led coalition win in Andhra Pradesh. The return of social justice and Marathi Asmita. How urban and rural India voted. Broadly popular in larger urban centers and rural areas supported the BJP. On the other hand, those living in town appear to have contributed the most to the improved performance of the Congress. People on their way home after casting their vote in Alappuzha, Kerala. The three main takeaway. The BJP's pro-rich escape become moderate. BJP has sustained loss in women's vote. The election changed across different phases. The impact of social welfare schemes on voting behavior. While comparative studies tell you that voters perfect prefer the incumbent when they have benefit from a policy output or action of the government. Voters do not have much sentiment towards a party that in, inaugurates a welfare scheme party more than candidate holds says our voters. BJP maintains advantage among young voters. Campaign play key role in shaping choice. Reaching out supporters wave a flag with image of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi during a rally in Amritsar on May 25. June 4 stock market case a scam say Rahul Gandhi. From Congress chief seeks JPC probe into alleged role of Prime Minister and Home Minister. BJP leader Piyush Goyal trim charges. Bachelet says India investors did not suffer loss. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi addressing a press conference at the AICC headquarters in New Delhi on Thursday. Trinamool unhappy with weight and which policy of India bloc. Abhishek Banerjee meets Akhilesh Yadav in New Delhi. New government should review Agnipath scheme. JDU 65.79% turnout in 2024 Lok Sabha election says EC. India Norway comparison to Western's manifold increase. CWC to meet tomorrow to discuss Lok Sabha result. Modi has said he is open to all suggestions. It is not easy for an alliance to come back to power for a third time. Introspection of way it failed to achieve the 400-seat target will have to wait till government formation, says the LJP RV chief, alleging that the opposition ran a false campaign on reservation. He said it won't work all the time. Sangli MP extends support to Congress. Pro Khalistan slogans raised at Golden Temple. Bengal Post poll class which time can feel blind with DGPSC. Court say then can submit complaints by email and seeks report from the police chief after 10 days. Violence was reported across several district with BJP and CPIM supporters fak- faking assault. Kang- Kangana assaulted by CISF constable at report. Statues shifted on parliament premises. Congress slums move. NEET aspirants allege discrepancies urge NTA to hold retest. India is now second biggest forest foreign trade to condemn democracy, says report. Parliament breach. Delhi place to fail. Kargis seat. Charge sheet. Food price rise likely speed up in May. Chrysalis. Food plates cost trackers. Pants vegetarian meal costs surged 9% year-on-year last month compared with the 8% gain in April when official retail food inflation was 8.7%. Cost of a non-vegetarian daily thali dropped 7% as broiler price declined 16%. Local air passenger traffic rose 5.1% in May. ECB cuts interest rates even as inflation peaked is far from over. True investment to set aside 500 crore रुपए capex for core business. India HNVIS wealth rises to 1,446 billion dollar. India must spend up to $385 billion for RE goal. Kyiv, Ukraine destroys Russian troop in Crimea. Military intelligence. Washington Washington Triumph Alley, Steve Bannon sold surrender to prison by July 1, Jude, United States, Denmark, Pak, Somalia, Gracie, and Panama get set on the UNSC. Yemen, 18 killed in clashes between Yemen government forces and Houthis. Of Houthis. 37 killed in Israel's strike on UN school, says Gaza hospital. The IDF says it eliminated several militants in a precious strike on a Hamas compound embedded inside an UNRWA school. The militant group describes Israel's new crime against out people, 100 killed in militia groups attack of Southern village. Spain to join South Africa's Gaza case at top UN court, accusing Israel of genocide. Climate conference in November to emphasize phase and truce. First fatal human case of H5N2 bird flu identified. One skipper to another. You are a legend of this game, Modric Hiles, Chetri, longevity, Sunil, dedication, ability to evolve set him apart, said Rahim Nabi. Plenty left in the tank. Perfect distance, but he will play for a long time at club level. Subrata icon reference, don't blow the visitor. Author Wes Chetri will level use. Heartbreak for India and Chetri as they failed to surmount the Kuwait challenge. The goalless draw in the India skipper final outing deals a big blow to the Blue Trails. Did to make the trip round for the first bid to make the trade round for the first time. A captain, leader and legend bids an emotional Godway. Chetri's relentless pursuit to elevate India's standard, worthy legacy, Chetri with an unparalleled care with care that tested the limits of possibly has, has opened the doors for India to dream. USA shocks Pakistan in a super-hour thriller, defending a score of 18. Netravalkar holds his nerve as the host stern Babar's man chasing, chasing a target of 160. Skipper Monarch, Monarch goes and Jones put the team level before it falls off a cup. Rajat Stars and again Uganda registers its first T20 World Cup winner. Lopsided contests not an ideal advertisement for the tournament in the Big Apple. Big Apple. BCCI announces domestic schedule for 2024-25 session. Paulini set up a Smith class with Swiatek Senior and Alcaraz will renew their rivalry today. Race Belcair Suraj loses Paris ticket as WA can cancels nationals results. Sarabjot climb air poster gold in Munich World Cup. Divya in giant led with all Oliver Diego Alajavier Diego Torpor has been the principal team both on and off the field in the T20 World Cup so far. Will understanding cancer become a data problem? Major case of inflammatory bowel disease discovered. Can the use of data analysis tools render the process of diagnosis at last easier? Will that eventually result in lowering risk, discomfort and find for patents, and can aid the cause cusp of health care and technology. Technology a innovations and sol- solutions that will aid patents and those who treat them.